Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to fix WhatsApp not sending photos. Here are the steps to fix WhatsApp not sending photos on your mobile phone. First, check your internet connection. Ensure Wi Fi or mobile data is active and working. Restart WhatsApp. Close the app completely and reopen it. Restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary issues. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time, enable automatic date or auto set time. Check storage space. Go to Settings again, Storage, and make sure you have enough free space. Update WhatsApp. Open Google Play Store. Update WhatsApp if available. Enable permissions. Go to Settings again, Apps, All Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions. Ensure storage, media permission is granted. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Check file format. Make sure the photo is in a supported format, like JPEG or PNG. Turn off data saver or battery saver. Go to Settings, Battery, Battery saver, turn off or toggle off if active. Switch network. Try sending the photo on another Wi Fi network or mobile data. Reinstall WhatsApp. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Back up chats first by tapping the three dots. Then tap Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and tap Backup. Lastly, check if WhatsApp servers are down by visiting downdetector.com or check online for outages. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.